अस्सलाम वालेकुम एस्पिरेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। आज के इस लेक्चर में हम बात करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स पोर्शन की। ठीक है, ये एमसीक्यूज बेसिकली होंगे और होंगे मार्च के मंथ के। ठीक है, मार्च 2023 के कंप्लीट नेशनल और इंटरनेशनल जो करंट अफेयर्स हैं वो सारे आपको इस वीडियो में मिलेंगे। So, first one is on March 29, UAE President named Sheikh Khalid bin Mohammed as Dash of Abu Dhabi, Vice President, Crown Prince, Prime Minister, Foreign Minister. The right answer is Crown Prince. On March 29, the UNGA adopted by consensus a resolution calling for the ICG to outline legal obligations related to Daesh, climate change, Ukraine war, water crisis, transnational terrorism. The right answer is climate change. On March 28, Daesh banned plastics in Sundarbans forest, the world's largest mangrove forest. Bangladesh, India, Nepal, Bhutan. The right answer is Bangladesh. On March 27, Pakistan origin Hamza Yusuf won the race to become Dash new leader. Wales, Scotland, Netherlands, and Ireland. The right answer is Scotland. On March 27, the 10th Asia Pacific Forum on Sustainable Development 2023 started at the United Nations Conference Center in Dash, Beijing, New York, Bangkok, Manila. The right answer is Bangkok. On March 26, China and Daesh began formal diplomatic relations after the latter's ceasing of relations with Taiwan. Iraq, Fiji, Iran, Honduras. The right answer is Honduras. On March 26, Afghanistan won their first T20 series against Daesh. Bangladesh, India, Ireland, Pakistan. The right answer is Pakistan. On March 26, Dash set a new record for chasing in international T20 cricket when they scored 259 to beat West Indies. India, West Indies, South Africa, Nepal. The right answer is South Africa. On March 25, President Putin announced to deploy tactical nuclear weapons in neighbor and ally Dash, Poland, Belarus, Hungary, Finland. The right answer is Belarus. On Daesh, the UK and European Union formally adopted a post-Brexit deal to overhaul Northern Irish trade rules. March 24, 22, March 23, March 24, March 25. The right answer is March 24. Cape Canaveral, the site of a NASA Center for Spaceflight, is located in Dash, Florida, Los Angeles, South Dakota, New Jersey. The right answer is Florida. On March 23, the world's first 3D printed rocket Dash was successfully launched. Artemis 1, Terran 1, Helio 2, Terran 4. The right answer is Terran 1. On March 22, the Abel Prize for Mathematics 2023 was awarded to Dash Louis Caffarelli, Avi Vigderson, and Drew Wiles, Yves Mayer. The right answer is Louis Caffarelli. The IPCC issued a synthesis of its six major reports since 2018 on Dash, March 19, March 20, March 21, March 22. The right answer is March 20. On Dash, the US President Joe Biden used his first veto, overriding a Republican led bill. March 20, March 21, March 22, March 23. The right answer is March 20. On Dash, Chinese President Xi Jinping reached Moscow on his first visit to Russia since the start of the latter's military intervention in Ukraine. March 20, March 21, March 22, March 23. The right answer is March 20. On March 19, UBS agreed to take over its troubled Dutch rival Credit Suisse, Mexican, Italian, Swiss, Canadian. The right answer is Swiss. On March 17, Daesh became the first US state to ban the use of abortion pills. South Carolina, Florida, Texas, Wyoming. The right answer is Wyoming. On March 16, Infantino of Daesh was re-elected as president of FIFA until 2027. Italy, Latvia, Switzerland, Belgium. The right answer is Switzerland. The 49th session of the OIC Council of Foreign Ministers was held in Nouakchott, Somalia, Mauritania, Nigeria, Morocco. The right answer is Mauritania. On March 30, Justice Shahid Karim of the Dash High Court invalidated Section 124A of the PPC, otherwise known as the Sedition Law. Sindh, Lahore, Peshawar, Balochistan. The right answer is Lahore. On March 29, the Dash removed Pakistan from the list of high risk third countries. FATF, UN, European Union, Canada. The right answer is European Union. On Dash, the National Assembly passed the historic Supreme Court Practice and Procedure Bill 2023, March 28, March 29, March 30, March 31. The right answer is March 29. On March 28, Dash became the first Pakistani and seventh bowler overall to complete 100 T20I wickets. Haris Rauf, Shadab Khan, Shaheen Shah Afridi, Muhammad Hussain. The right answer is Shadab Khan. On March 27, the federal government appointed Dash the new Attorney General of Pakistan. Shahzad Ata Ilahi, Mansoor Usman Awan, Irfan Qadir, Akram Sheikh. The right answer is Mansoor Usman Awan. On March 23, Dash granted Pakistan a rollover of $2 billion state administration of foreign exchange safe deposits for 1 year. China, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Turkey. The right answer is China. On March 21, Nadeem Aslam Chaudhry, a grade 21 officer of PAS, was posted as Chief Secretary Dash, Punjab, GB, Sindh, KP. The right answer is KP. PM Shehbaz Sharif launched the Teleschool Pakistan app on Dash March 21, March 22, March 23, March 24. The right answer is March 21. On March 20, the government of Dash announced to increase the amount of grant aid for the project for installation of weather surveillance radar in Multan. China, Japan, France, Russia. The right answer is Japan. On March 20, Sardar Muhammad Siab Khalid, a former Dash of the HAK Legislative Assembly, passed away. President, Speaker, Secretary, Deputy Speaker. The right answer is Speaker. On March 19, the third round of Pakistan China bilateral political consultations was held in Dash, Shanghai, Islamabad, Beijing, Gwadar. The right answer is Beijing. The only team to clinch two back to back PSL titles is Dash, Quetta Gladiators, Peshawar Zalmi, Multan Sultans, Lahore Qalandars. The right answer is Lahore Qalandars. On March 18, Dash won the PSL 8 title, Lahore Qalandars, Karachi Kings, Peshawar Zalmi, Multan Sultans. The right answer is Lahore Qalandars. On Dash, the OIC contact group on J&K expressed alarm at the situation in the IIOJK and adopted a joint communique reaffirming OIC's position on the dispute. March 15, March 16, March 17, March 20. The right answer is March 17. On March 16, the US and Pakistan concluded the second meeting of the Climate and Environment Working Group in Dash. Karachi, Washington DC, Islamabad, New York. The right answer is Islamabad. On March 16, the caretaker government of Punjab assigned 45,267 acres of land in the districts of Bakkar, Kushab and Dash to the Pakistan Army for corporate agriculture farming. Faisalabad, Multan, Narwal, Sahiwal. The right answer is Sahiwal. On March 11, representatives of Yemen's government and Houthi rebels kicks off talks in Dash, Doha, Geneva, Ankara, Dubai. The right answer is Geneva. On Dash, the China's parliament handed Xi a third term as president, March 8, March 9, March 10, March 12. The right answer is March 10. On March 10, India and Dash agreed to boost their defense ties and accelerate a broader economic partnership. US, Australia, Germany, Japan. The right answer is Australia. On March 8, Dash became the first country in the world to store carbon dioxide 1800 meters beneath the North Sea. Sweden, Canada, Norway, Denmark. The right answer is Denmark. On March 8, special representatives from Russia, China, Iran, Pakistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, and Turkmenistan convened in Dash, Astana, Moscow, Beijing, Tashkent. The right answer is Tashkent. On March 6, Dash signed an agreement with Turkey on deposit $5 billion in the latter's central bank. Russia, US, Saudi Arabia, China. The right answer is Saudi Arabia. On March 5, the Dash Ko Jin Young became the first player to successfully defend her HSBC Women's World Championship title. South Korea's, Japan's, Thailand's, North Korea's. The right answer is South Korea's. On March 3, Nomad Capitalist ranked Dash Passport as the most powerful in the world. UAE's, Norway's, Finland's, Islands. The right answer is UAE's. On March 3, Dash handed a 10-year jail term to Nobel Prize winning activist Alice Bielkisi. Russia, Austria, Belarus, Poland. The right answer is Belarus. On March 2, Dash National Assembly voted in Vo Van Thuong as the country's new president. Cuba's, Vietnam's, Thailand's, Cambodia's. The right answer is Vietnam's. On March 2, the G20 meeting concluded in Dash, Rome, Beijing, Riyadh, New Delhi. The right answer is New Delhi. On March 2, the US approved the sale to Daesh of $619 million in munitions for F-16 fighter jets. India, Ukraine, Taiwan, UAE. The right answer is Taiwan. The recent two-day conference of One Forest Summit was held in Daesh, Italy, Gabon, Latvia, Somalia. The right answer is Gabon. On March 1, Bola Tinubu won the presidential election in Dash, Nigeria, Ethiopia, Kenya, Sudan. The right answer is Nigeria, and that's it.